Now at 5, NASA on a mission to touch the sun. A space probe making the first journey to a star set to explore the sun's atmosphere.
The spacecraft will blast off tomorrow morning from Cape Canaveral in Florida. Team 12's Trem I has more on this historic liftoff.
It's NASA's newest mission to touch the sun. Well, almost.
Oh, the excitement here is just amazing.
Betsy Congdon is an engineer for the Parker Solar Probe. She's been working on this for 10 years.
Now we're starting to take the science data that's going to change our view of the sun forever.
The probe will get closer to the sun than any other spacecraft in history, traveling at a whopping 430 miles an hour.
Is launching on a Delta IV Heavy rocket tomorrow morning, and it's going to the sun. It's going to actually take 24 passes around the sun between basically Venus and the sun, getting closer and closer using Venus as a gravity assist to actually get within 10 solar radii of the sun. And that might be a little hard to visualize, but if you think about a football field and you put the sun on one side and the earth on the other, we're getting within the 5-yard line, so we're getting pretty close.
It's so close that there's a high-tech heat shield to prevent the probe from burning up.
That heat shield will always stay between the spacecraft and the sun. At the sun, the heat shield is going to get to about 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, while the spacecraft bus stays at a balmy room temperature.
Scientists are hoping to discover two big things.
One, how the solar wind is accelerating. The solar wind is a really important phenomenon for space weather and how we interact with our sun. And the other that's a little easier to visualize is why the corona is hotter than the surface of the sun. The corona is that hazy region that we all saw when we watched the solar eclipse last year, and it's actually hotter than the surface of the sun, and we don't understand why.
Hopefully, Parker Solar Probe will unlock the mysteries on this 7-year journey. Trem I 12 News.